this is how to clean your seatbelt. So if you see this, it looks pretty dirty. But the ones that are farther in, they don't look as dirty because they're farther in. So well, let's grab our cleaning stuff. So we grab our rag, make sure we rinse it out. So we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna draw all of it out. And we're gonna do like that. We're gonna squeeze it and pull it. We should get the rest of it at the bottom. This is my bag of cleaning supplies. There's some brushes, some wire brushes in there to